Do you hear the crunch, guys? Hi guys, I'm Shanaz and welcome to Nazatub. Today we are cooking some delicious guilt-free Korean fried chicken. Guilt-free because our delicious juicy from inside and crispy from outside chicken would be baked, not fried. But we do have a additional recipe. We'll be doing the Korean street food double fried chicken, and at the end comparing the healthier version with the double fried chicken. So I developed this oven-baked Korean chicken recipe out of sheer necessity because Emma and I love eating fried chicken, and somehow despite all the diet resolutions we end up ordering or preparing fried chicken at home at least 2 to 3 times a month, and hence I came up with this oven-baked chicken which absolutely mimics the Korean fried chicken. I just want to mention there's nothing wrong with fried chicken. I love it. I know you guys love it. In this video, I'm just going to share both double fried Korean chicken recipe as well as guilt-free, oil-free, oven-baked Korean chicken. And it's up to you guys to choose which recipe you'd like to use the most. The addictive crunch that we love about Korean fried chicken will be present in both, especially the oven-baked chicken. Wait till the end of the video and leave your comment what you think about the healthier version of Korean fried chicken. I have some chicken wings here with skin on. First tip to making great fried chicken is to have the skin on. So you guys know chicken wings have 3 parts: the drummet, the winglet, and the wingtip. The wingtip has been discarded as it does not have any meat. Let's marinate these chicken wings. I'm peeling some garlic. I want the warmth of garlic on the fried and oven-baked chicken. Next, some sweet and spicy taste from the ginger. I'm peeling the ginger and grating it using a zester. I'm also adding some black pepper. This will give a nice warm, piney taste. Next, I'm adding some salt. Not much because I'm also going to season the flour, followed by some sugar. I'm also adding some Korean chili flakes, also known as gochugaru. Just a tiny bit. Gochugaru has an amazing depth of flavor and cannot be compared to any other kind of chili flakes. It is a must if you're making kimchi. Before I add the next ingredient, I want to give you guys 2 options. You can either add apple cider vinegar or mirin. ACV, as we know, is not tart like white vinegar, rather has a very pleasant taste. I know mirin is a staple in Japanese cooking, but marinating your Korean chicken in mirin will give this amazing sweet and sour flavor. So yeah, just use any of the 2. Mix everything well. And let the chicken wings marinate at least for an hour. We still have the egg and the flour coating to go on top of our marinated chicken. But before that, marinating the chicken is very important. Sure, we want our Korean fried chicken to be super crispy and crunchy, but we also want the inside to be juicy, and this marination process here will ensure that our chicken is juicy from inside. Trust me, there is nothing worse than dry and hard fried chicken. Okay, after an hour, I'm cracking an egg and adding some flour and cornflour to the chicken. You can also add potato starch if you do not have cornflour. The cornflour will prevent gluten development and make the flour coating crisper. In addition, I'm also adding baking powder. Not to be mistaken with baking soda, baking powder will ensure our chicken remains super crispy. These ingredients are mandatory for the crunchy texture we are looking for. Last but not the least, I'm seasoning the flour with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Please don't skip this process. This is not a lot of salt, so I'm not fearing oversweating of the chicken. Our chicken wings will be optimally seasoned inside out, and I promise you that. Mix everything well. Let's start cooking. For our guilt-free Korean chicken, I have already preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a baking tray here. I've just lined the baking tray with a foil. My rack is slightly bigger than the tray, but it will do the job. If you do not have a rack, you can place the chicken on the tray directly. Having a rack prevents the chicken from sweating. I'm seasoning the rack with some vegetable oil. That is it. Not a drop of oil has gone into a chicken that will be baking in the oven. Isn't this amazing? Just place the chicken wings on the tray rack without overcrowding them. Pop the tray onto the middle rack. Just make sure to flip the chicken wings after around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the temperature of your oven. When you see these dark colors oozing on the tray, this is an indication that your chicken is cooked on one side and it's time to flip. Put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Now let's start frying our remaining chicken wings. I'm using a wok. You can use a cast iron skillet as well. Make sure the oil is not too hot, that makes the chicken brown immediately. The temperature should be around 300 degrees. You can sort of overcrowd the chicken in this cooking process because we want the chicken to be pale at this moment. We only want to make sure the moisture draws out of the chicken wings and it's cooked. Once this light color is attained, take them out and slightly air them. I have this very convenient wok rack, so I can just air the wings here. Now theoretically this is ready, but we want our Korean fried chicken to be not just good but super good. So we're going to double fry this chicken just like it is done at any Korean restaurant or in the street food scene. Now let's refry the chicken wings. This time the temperature is slightly higher, around 350 degrees. And I'm frying the chicken wings on robust heat. I'm being extremely careful. As soon as I see the rich dark color, I know it's done and it's time to take them out. Gosh, the smell is making me hungry. Meanwhile, after 20 minutes, my baked chicken wings look almost ready. I'm flipping every piece to check if there are any wet spots on any chicken wings. Although after 40 minutes, they're perfectly cooked. To develop some color, I'm broiling the chicken wings at 525 degrees Fahrenheit, just for 5 minutes. And our amazingly beautiful and delicious Korean baked chicken wings are ready. This is the moment of truth, guys. I have the Korean double fried chicken here and the oven baked Korean chicken. Let's see how crunchy they are. Amazing! This crispy sound is music to my ears. I love it. Both types of chicken are crunchy. Amber and I can't wait to devour them. But we are being patient right now because we cannot do without a quintessential Korean glaze over these delicious crunchy chicken wings. In a wok, heat oil and add some chopped garlic. Please don't let the garlic get too dark like mine. My garlic got overcooked, but I think I'll make do with it. Next, some dry whole chilies split into half. Then add soy sauce. Oops, I didn't expect this splatter. Next, some Korean chili flakes. Once everything heats up and starts bubbling, add the brown sugar and salt. You may substitute the brown sugar with some honey, some vinegar, some mustard paste. Mix everything well. Let everything simmer and let the sauce thicken. Once this is done, I'm separately tossing the oven-baked Korean chicken in the sauce that I just prepared. And finally, I'm tossing the Korean fried chicken in the wok. Look at how beautiful these look, and the smell is super appetizing. Let me quickly plate the Korean chicken wings as I want them to be served hot. I'm ravenous right now and I can't wait to eat these appetizing fried chicken and baked chicken. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Garnish with some sesame seeds and some more peanuts. I've asked Amber to prepare some refreshing, tangy, sparkling lime drink. Yum! This drink will pair really well with the Korean crispy chicken. I can't wait. Let's eat.
Cheers.
Thanks for the drink. Shall we try? Let's go for it.
Wow, look at the color. It's perfect.
Yeah, nice and rich.
Amazing. Can't wait to try it.
Do you hear the crunch, guys? It's juicy from inside.
So the one I'm having is the one you fried.
Yes, it is.
So that one's the baked one.
Baked one. Super crispy. So guys, this is the one that I had baked, and this is the one that I double fried. The colors look just the same. And I already gave you guys a crunch test in the kitchen itself. They both are super crunchy. They are juicy and succulent and super flavorful. I'm gonna try the double fried one.
I'm gonna try the baked one. In terms of flavor, there's just no difference.
No difference at all. I mean, it's really up to you guys to decide which one do you prefer on a more regular basis. One is sort of a more healthier version, the other is double fried. I'm not saying it's unhealthy, but hey, don't have double fried chicken every day.
I just love the glaze. The sweet and sticky and yet spicy flavor is just perfect.
And there's a bit of Korean pepper flakes that I added, so it has the heat. I love it. That's all for today, guys. Be sure to make these amazing Korean fried chicken and baked at your home. The baked one would definitely not disappoint. Hit the like button if you like this video. I would love to read your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.